When we study design, it's helpful to examine products, services, and systems from many different perspectives. There are three perspectives I found that are very helpful when studying a history of design or when encountering some kind of new design artifact. First are formal qualities. These are the physical properties of a design. Next, they are experiential aspects. These are the kind of experiences that a person feels or encounters when they use the design. And then there's also systems connections. And those are how the design connects to other types of design or other factors in an environment. So I'm going to use my Everyone is Awesome Lego set as an example of these three. So first off, formal qualities. Let's look at this Lego set. It is made of Lego plastic. It has a rainbow and a wide range of colors. They're very smooth tiles that go all the way to the back. You can look at the minifigures and you'll see that they all have very different hairstyles. All of these are examples of formal qualities. So when you are examining design, think about the formal properties of that design, how heavy it is, the kind of materials, how smooth it is, what textures it makes. If you're looking at an app or some other design that involves sound, then sound is also a very important formal quality. Formal qualities define the design through its physical properties and also the properties that come out of it, if again, there's sound or other aspects. So experiential aspects are the feelings a person has when they use or encounter the design. Sometimes these are the experiences a designer wants someone to have, that they're hoping they will make someone have. For this Lego set, my son is a huge Lego fan, as am I. So when I see this set, experientially, I get excited because it brings up memories. Also, the fact that Everyone is Awesome reminds me of the movie. Everyone is Awesome, right? The song's in your head if you know the Lego movie. So another experiential aspect of this set is it reminds me of a movie that's fun and about diversity and about difference and about uniqueness and how awesome that is. So there's a lot of meaning that this set brings up. Experiential aspects are the kind of feelings, emotions, memories, and other kind of experiences that a design evokes in a person. Don't forget, sometimes a design is created by the designer to make someone have an experience with hopes that they'll have an experience. So examine that too, because I could look at this set and say, is this trying to make me think or feel a certain way? What was the designer intending here when they created this, and what kind of experiential aspect did they want to come out of it? Lastly, there are systems connections. So that's when your design connects to many other things. So I could look at this Lego set and consider it is actually a system, right? It is a built system of many different parts that all work together. So this one's kind of unique that the parts are a system. But then I could think about the supply chain and about the plastic. The plastic materials had to come from somewhere to all get formed into these bricks. There were molds that each of these items were injected into to be created. There are plans that are required to make a set like this. So there are booklets, there are drawings and schematics. See, even just a simple Lego set is part of a bigger system, a system of people who build them, people who design them, the materials that go into like telling me how to build this set, how the materials are all brought together, what makes up the plastics, stuff like that. So design does not exist in a vacuum. It always is connected to something else. Maybe it's connected to the people who made it. Maybe it's connected to materials that comprise it. Or maybe it's connected with a culture that is surrounding it, a culture that makes the design special. So at that systems level, Really think about the design at the center and all the people and materials and items and ideas that connect to it. Follow that back through history. You may discover this design is connected to a much bigger picture. So, formal qualities, experiential aspects, and systems connections. 3 different ways that when you encounter any design, you can put on your lenses of one of these and examine it and better understand how it works, why it was made, and what it means.